Right now, somewhere in the world, a person with no formal education is becoming wealthy, and somewhere else, a highly educated person is drowning in debt. Same planet, same economy, same access to information. So what's the difference? It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's not talent. It's the story they tell themselves about money. Today, we're breaking down the rich mindset versus the poor mindset, not as an insult, not as a label, but as two completely different ways of thinking that lead to two completely different lives. This video may make you uncomfortable. That's good, because growth begins where comfort ends. Mindset is programmed, not born. Nobody is born with a poor mindset. Nobody is born with a rich mindset. You inherit it from parents who meant well, from schools designed for obedience, from society's focus on survival. Most children are taught, play it safe, don't take risks, don't fail, don't question authority. That creates workers, not wealth builders. A poor mindset grows in environments where money is stressful, bills cause arguments, success feels unrealistic, rich people are seen as lucky or evil, so money becomes emotional. Fear replaces curiosity. A rich mindset grows where money is discussed openly, mistakes are allowed, questions are encouraged, learning never stops. Same child, different conditioning. How each mindset talks internally. Your life follows your internal dialogue. Poor mindset self-talk. I can't afford it. Money is hard to make. That's only for rich people. I'll do it later. This language shuts the brain down. Rich mindset self-talk. How can I afford it? What problem does it solve? What skill do I need? Who already did this? Rich thinkers use questions to expand options. Poor thinkers use statements that end thinking. And over time, these small phrases shape destiny. Income is not wealth. Here's a harsh truth. A high income does not make you rich. Many people earn a lot and still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because the poor mindset focuses on, how much do I earn? The rich mindset focuses on, what do I keep and how does it grow? Wealth is what remains after the paycheck stops. That's why athletes, celebrities, and lottery winners often go broke. Income without mindset is temporary. Jobs, safety, and the illusion of security. Poor mindset believes a job equals safety. But history proves otherwise. Companies collapse. Industries disappear. Technology replaces roles. A job is not security. Adaptability is. The rich don't depend on one source of income. They build multiple skills, multiple streams, multiple options. They understand one rule. Never let a single system control your survival. Assets, liabilities, and cash flow. This is where everything changes. Poor mindset buys things to look rich. Rich mindset buys things to become rich. If it costs you money every month, it owns you. If it pays you, you own it. Rich people obsess over cash flow, not lifestyle. They let money work first, then reward themselves later. Delayed gratification builds freedom. Instant gratification builds cages. Debt, consumption, and the trap. Poor mindset uses debt to consume. Rich mindset uses leverage to build. There's a difference. Consumption debt buys status. Productive leverage buys systems. One fades. The other compounds. Most people work harder just to maintain appearances. The rich quietly build behind the scenes. Risk, fear, and failure. Poor mindset avoids risk completely. But avoiding risk is also a risk. Inflation eats savings. Time passes anyway. Rich mindset doesn't gamble. It calculates. They fail small. They learn fast. They adapt quickly. Failure is tuition. Quitting is the real loss. Education beyond school. School teaches what to think, what to memorize, how to follow rules. The rich self-educate to learn how money works, how people behave, how systems scale. They read, they experiment, they surround themselves with thinkers. In the digital age, knowledge is free. Execution is rare. Identity, self-worth, and money. People don't earn what they want. They earn what they believe they are worth. If deep down you believe, wealth isn't for people like me, your actions will prove that belief correct. Rich mindset changes identity first. They don't say, I'll believe it when I see it. They say, I'll see it when I believe it. This video wasn't about rich people versus poor people. It was about thinking patterns. You can change income faster than mindset, but mindset is what lasts. Start today. Learn one financial concept. Build one skill. Question one belief. Take one small risk. Money follows clarity, and clarity begins in the mind. Change how you think about money, and money will eventually change how it treats you.